Welcome to Interiors by TA, where we transform your spaces into sophisticated sanctuaries. In this video, I discuss the tips for best furniture layouts for small apartments. Ever feel like your small apartment is working against you? Like there's just not enough space for the cozy, sophisticated vibe you want? Today, we're diving into the best furniture layouts for small apartments. Layouts that will maximize your space and elevate your style. Introduction to small apartment layout challenges. The truth is, every inch counts in a small apartment. Whether you're living in a cozy city studio or a compact one-bedroom, your layout can mean the difference between a functional space and one that just feels cramped. Because let's face it, no one wants to feel like they're tiptoeing around furniture just to get to the kitchen. But here's the thing. With a few smart layout strategies, even the smallest apartment can feel like a chic, inviting retreat. Let's jump into some tips to create a beautiful, efficient space. Step-by-step furniture layout tips. Tip 1. Open up the living space with multifunctional furniture. Think about it. A sofa that transforms into a bed, a coffee table that doubles as storage. These pieces do double duty, saving space and adding style. So now you're saving space, but what about flow? Let's keep going. Tip 2. Arrange furniture for flow. Next, layout is key. Placing furniture against walls or in corners helps open up pathways and makes the room feel less cluttered. Try positioning your sofa along the longest wall, leaving room for easy movement. Arrange chairs to create conversation areas without blocking walkways. And no, stacking everything in the corner is not what we mean by maximizing space. Tip 3. Divide and conquer with clever zoning. In small apartments, zoning is a game changer. Divide areas for sleeping, dining, and relaxing without adding walls. Rugs, bookshelves, or even a tall plant can create visual separation between your living and dining areas. Now, we're creating more space, but what about the details? Let's elevate it a bit more. Tip 4. Use vertical space for storage. When floor space is limited, look up. Vertical storage is your best friend. Tall bookshelves, wall-mounted shelves, or even hanging plants draw the eye up, making the room feel taller and more spacious. Because when you live small, floor space is precious. Every square inch counts. Tip 5. Go light with colors and refine decor. Finally, choose a light, neutral palette to brighten up the space. Soft grays, whites, and muted pastels reflect light, making the apartment feel bigger. Add pops of color through small decor pieces for sophistication without overwhelming the room. And there you have it, transforming your small apartment into a space that's both functional and fabulous. With the right layout, multifunctional furniture, smart zoning, and a cohesive color palette, you can have a home that feels spacious, inviting, and elegant. If you're ready to elevate your own space, we'd love to help you bring your vision to life. Book an interior design consultation today by reaching out through our WhatsApp number in the description. Let's turn your small apartment into your dream space.